How to change X or Twitter username. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your X app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the top left corner you can find your profile icon. Tap on it. Now head towards the option of settings and support. Now go to the option settings and privacy. Head towards the option of your account. Tap on the option account information. Now from this page you can easily change your username. At the very top you'll find the option of username. Tap on it. Are you sure you want to change your username? Tap on continue. Over here you can find the suggested usernames for your account, or also you can type in your own. After you are done, you can tap on the option of done given at the top right corner. And with that you can see that my username of X account has been changed. So this is how you can easily change X or Twitter username. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.